Good morning. Sorry I'm late. I was watching a police raid. How we doing, guys? Kia ora, kia ora. My hands are numb already from the cold. Yo. My hands are numb already. Good morning. Whew. Oh, we're under 1,000. No! Hello, guys. How we doing? How we doing? Whew. So I'm lately I had an interview this morning too with an old friend. But more than everybody, hope everyone's well. Friday today. Shout out to everyone on YouTube as well. Morena to everyone in No Mai Hoki Mai. Welcome back to another stream. Brooks Carving. Plans today. Carry on where we left off. So, we were up here. You can see. So the space that we were doing is getting cleaner. Okay. So we still have to clean the mouth a little bit and bevel and do the outside, like all that stuff. Then we can move on to the other face. But it's looking good. But hope you've all been well. Yeah, I had a bit of an interview this morning, and then saw about 10 cop cars pull into the area I'm in, and they're raiding someone. Woo! I'm getting sorted now. Some naughty people down the road, I think. Oh. How have you been? Yeah, not too bad. I had to head out of town yesterday. Had to head out of town and drop my wife off to mum and dad for the rest of the week. What they're raid for? I don't know. I'm not gonna go down and ask them. Just watch from my window. Bradley 7, what the fuck Levy did? It's all good, Bill. Yeah, it's. I don't think I have much of a presence on YouTube. It's all good. Alright. We're gonna take Chet for a nosy. Nah. When I finished the interview, When I finished the interview and I was heading in, I was like, ooh, 5 cop cars? Then saw another 5, I was like, ooh. How you been, Thunder? Are you on holiday mode too? I was watching some more Demon Slayer last night. Sure, alright, yeah, I've been seeing them. Thank you, my bro. What you done? Anyone? This is now you're watching. I've watched all the seasons, but I went back to watch Swordsmith Village last night. Cheers, brother Bill. What season are you on? I finished all the Demon Slayers. I just wanted to rewatch the fight with the Mist Hashira. I like how cooked the Mist Hashira is, eh? He's been a bit of a cooked chicken, that one. Haven't been able to join, so no, you're all good. So we're currently doing what's called a manaya. So that's this here. It takes the characteristics of a bird, and sometimes they have the body of a man, but for this instance, in this carving, it's only got like the body itself with another head at the bottom. So it's for two birthdays on the same day. Anyone jamming that Only Human? My youngest just about to break up. I'm on holiday getting ready for the yeah, my fan bams be back tomorrow. So we're gonna get another carving stream in tomorrow while they're still away. But after the stream tomorrow I'd hit up Edu. Edu's in town at his dad's house. Can hang out with him for a bit. Turn infected. Are you my bro? Hang on, just looking for this one chisel. Always has trouble trying to bloody find. Yeah, some weekend carving. Been trying to do more weekend Whakairo. Like obviously they're much shorter when the kids are home. Like 2 hours at most, but you know it's something, eh? Sounds crazy, man. It looks really good. Thank you, brother. The B plus achiever, all the way from Aussie. Yeah. Got invited to Norway with 8 other stone carvers. Oh, mean, my bro. That's on. Sup, Eli? Sure, when's that, my bro? Bro, it's cold, bro. Got any pieces in Sweden, you met? No, I don't. He's left last weekend. Oh, nice. Sure, that's on. Not sure if they've reached Institute, but they do these things called when they get cold. Oh, my legs are fine, it's just my hands, brother. Yeah, my hands just get cold, that's all. My legs are fine. I've got thunder thighs, so it don't matter. Minimal damage. Some gripping gloves. Yeah, I was thinking that, but I feel like that guy wearing gloves too. So I was just watching a video of my kids. Well, my kids love working at the marae. That you don't get with using machines and woodwork. Yeah, B+. Yeah, I try like I only use machines unless I really need to. If I don't, I just use a chisel. Do you sell these? I do commissions. At the moment, my commissions are still full. This needs to go down some more. Hang on, Chet. There we go. Why would I need a chainsaw for? The hell? Yeah, I didn't have the best sleep last night too. Close to the middle of the night. All good, Volda. Have a good sleep, eh? Chisel doesn't sound very sharp. Okay. Chisel whisperer. Nalo. Go. Just a whisper. Just ain't last night. Took some straight to me. Shadows go. All right. There's a way to you can find that I'd never know. When I water with tonight, can't find gold. Hold on, guys. Hard to reconcile. Hey, thank you, Puppy Caliber, for the 100 biddies. Kia ora, my bro. Hey, Chef with the 50 months. Our first sub of the day. Thank you very, very much, brother. Morning, boss. Ultimate Bricky muffin coming in hot this morning. Bacon, eggs, sausage, smoky barbecue, mushroom. Oh, that sounds on. Thank you, Puppy Caliber, once again with the 100 biddies. Ah, that's an on breakfast. You just can't go wrong with a hearty breakfast, eh? You can't, man. You can't go wrong. That sounds mecca. Damn, that sounds good. Yeah, you just can't beat a hearty breakfast in the morning, man. Been there for a minute, yeah, brother. 50 months, bro. Grateful that I've been able to stream that long, I have to say that too. What's up, fella? 911, baby, get me up. I'm gonna put a bit of a suggestions thing in the Discord too. Content suggestions? Good morning, chef. I gotta say, man, we have a lot of chefs in the community, and you know what? I'm here for it because I love hearing what you guys make. Clean out the fridge, dishes clean and mopping after Bricky. What a day off, bro. But it does feel good. It is a goated feeling when you can sit down in your house knowing it's clean. I love that feeling. Call me boring, but it is a really nice feeling. Why just 66K and watching? How? I'm washed. That's why. I'm washed as my bro. I'll be honest, I don't know. But yeah, I think it's just because I'm washed. Hello, Dan. Dan the Man Reaper. Hey, what up, Kiddo? Bro, your car's absolutely gorgeous, bro. Looking forward to seeing what you do to it in the future. Yeah, looking like no packs for me this year too, my bro. I just really need a save. Hey, I hope you're well. I see you streaming and I wanted to come bring you, hey, what's up, it's me, Bud Guy. Me, the 7-day week. Yeah. Like, I can go, but I feel like financially it's not ideal. Yeah. Last day off was in April. Yeah, I remember you doing like 7 days. Machine, brother. Straight up. So I'm just trying to clean up in here before we can move on, and then we'll bevel this. And then clean up the outside. On that grind, my brother. Love, the only one I dream. Oh. Still the one. How you doing, guys? He's all good. And the centers were too loud. Yeah, so when we finish all like the designing, what we're gonna do, or like all the molding, sorry. That's when we'll do an art stream inside, like I did last time. What more can I say? Like what more can I say? 'Cause I'm out of ready nowhere. Yo, since when could you go live on Twitter? Oh ha, running low. What do you reckon, chat? Should we have a bit of a dabble? I'll just go and chuck my phone on the charger. I'll let my phone charge, chat, and we'll try and be cringe and we'll be cringe and try a bit of a Twitter live. Quad tuning in from Canada. Hey, love your artwork. What you do is amazing. Thank you very much, eh? Appreciate you, brother. Made pea and ham soup 2 days ago. Shit's me nails making kegels. Chop up leftovers and keep new rolls in the fruit. Oh, bro. I'd legit get into chefing just so I can make bougie meals for myself. Far, that sounds mean. That's what I've done. I love food, so I learned how to cook. Yeah, bro. Like my wife doesn't like the meals I eat. Obviously, I'm a bit of a. Obviously, I'm a boring eater. Eh? Like a bloody gourmet meal to me is a medium rare steak with a salt. So I can see we conflict a bit. You know, every time she sees me eating like this, she goes, "Oh, fucking dinosaur." Honey stream win. Oh, I want to do one, but it's a bit hard here. Unless we use a hangi cooker. I still got to do a mukbang streamer that I can go and buy one and just eat it. But I feel like an egg eating in front of people. Hold on, I just got a message. Hey, B-Buds, thank you for the raid, brother. Thank you very much, good sir. I hope you had a wonderful stream today. Happy Friday. End of the NZ week. If you're not an NZ, it's most likely a Thursday. Or it could be a Friday if you're an OC. Where's my... I've lost my pencil again. Know when to hold. Know when to walk up. Know when to walk away. Know when to run. You gotta count your money. When you're sitting at the table, coming off accounting. When the dealing's done. Yes, I am listening to Kenny Rogers. What were you doing today on stream, man? Yikes. Fuck, where's my pencils, chat? Making chainmail, damn! You know, every time I think of chainmail, it reminds me of that one scene after Frodo gets stabbed. I know it's not the same. He goes, Mithril. I know there's a difference, but it kind of reminds me of that scene. Man's getting ready for war. So with that, do you have to like chain everything like individually? When you're sitting at the table, when the dealing's done. Yeah, do you like have to do you like have to chain every single piece together? Yep. Damn. Always wondered about that, eh? So make it in right. Yeah, my neck is so cold, man. Little bits at a time. Very true. Very true. Wanna see you whip it, show make it you right. Wait just a minute, don't be for the night. We bumped out here to have some fun, so let whip. Boom. Bruh. You just need to help me stop losing pencils, chip. Bro, I've lost 3 in 2 days. I'll go and get one inside. Pencils are my nightmare too. Cheer, brother Chris. Bro, ho bro. I think I can confidently say I've lost over 1,000. Bro, this is not helping my case. Whew, cold. Rain, hail or sign, chat. I will always get a stream in for you guys. No matter what. Thank you very much for the support. As always, Whānau. Thank you very much for being here and watching and enjoying the content. Just remember, all questions are open. There's no such thing as a dumb question. If you have a question, feel free to ask. It's true. Hey, what's up, Israel? What's up on YouTube? Used to buy boxes and later finding them everywhere. Who the hell is a pencil in the fridge? Bro, I remember once. I don't know why, but you know, I found my pencils in like random places too, in the bathroom, washing machine. I'm good, brother Israel. I'm good, brother. Bit on the cold side, but it's worth it being able to do this for you guys. You know, join me along for the journey, brother. If I am boring, chat, I do apologise. I'm kind of only running on 4 hours sleep. So thank you very much for joining me. Go to a wedding and dress up in a suit, find a pencil in the chicken pocket. Oh. No, but go and do your thing, man. Yeah, look after yourself always, brother. Thank you, brother. You keep up the good work too, man. Thank you very much for the raid once again, brother. Yeah, chat, so I do apologise if I'm a bit on the low energy side. Just sick tamariki, nah, just my sister-in-law decided to have a party. She's our neighbour and it woke me up at like 2 in the morning. Didn't get back to sleep till like 4 and I had an interview at 8 o'clock. Yeah, bro. Just beveling this waha chat. Hey, baby. Is the baby lagoon? Thank you for the Optimus Prime being our first brand new sub of the day. Number 1 on the daily sub goal. Appreciate it there, baby Laguna. Kia ora, and welcome to the stream. If you have any questions, feel free to ask as well. Which way is it going? Oh gosh, that's cold. Hey, brother Chris with the re-subby learner. Oh hell, I didn't realize. Nah, you're good, brother. Thank you for the 27 months, my bro. Much appreciated, my brother, with the re-sub. Hey, what's up, Les Kurama? Kia ora, brother. Appreciate that, my bro. I'm a bit on the sleep-deprived side of the day, but we good. I'm gonna keep pushing through for this. Make sure I get my 3 hours in, and you know, I didn't want to not stream today because I know how much people enjoy the streams. How's the wood cutting going along? Kipna, going good, brother. Going good. We're just cleaning up the last section of this face actually before we clean the outside of it, and then we pretty much move on to the next part after that. Girls just want to dance fun. Girls just want to dance. Oh. Unfamiliar. Hey, what's up, brother? The sophomore is going to be next to me. What are you talking about? How are you, Unfamiliar? What's up, Shirk? Hey, Cassius didn't tell me he does streams TV. Thank you for the 30 months, my bro. Apologies for my... Nah, you're all good. No one has to say sorry that they've been in my ever. Sure, my bro. Didn't tell me you were streaming now, though. Appreciate the love, my brother. We will definitely drop in when you're streaming one day, my brother. Oh, secret squirrel guy chat didn't want to tell me he streams. Kentos with the 50 months. Here for 50 months wouldn't change a thing. Keep big. You appreciate that, brother Kentos. Your name always reminds me of the Kanto region. A serious itch. Thank you for the 9 months. Kia ora for the sub, baby, my bro. Keep going strong on streams, brother. We'll do, my bro. We'll do. You guys are one of the many whys why I do it, my bro. Oh shit, did Kiss tell you? No, I was on the stream and he was talking about it. That's how I knew. It's like, wee, secret squirrel. I was like, wee, secret squirrel, this guy. Alrighty. It stays like these, chat. I wish I had a Brock Lesnar neck fold to keep the back of my neck warm. Scary TV, thank you very much for the Optimus Prime as well, brother. Thank you very much, a brand new sub into the stream today. Thank you very much, my bro. After what? When did we start doing sub goal? Feb? I only just realized today that the daily sub goal, the Twitch integrated one, only counts new subs. I know, behind, I know. Someone let this man a scarf. You need a turtleneck. Turtleneck. Turtlenecks are uncomfortable, man, I tell you. I was wearing one and I was like, this must be how my Johnson feels. As you follow 4 streams for a bit and I didn't know how that you were the friendly woodcarver seen on. Oh, that's so impressive. Bongo, 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 I don't wanna leave the Congo. No. I don't like I don't vibe with turtlenecks. Ever since I put one on, I was like, bro, I felt like pea nice. Exiting the sleeping bag. I got a new ride, it's a level up. Okay, almost. Sup, brother Chucky? Thank you, man. Hoi! But I still haven't seen Planet of the Apes, eh?
Welcome to my kingdom.
Hey, what's up, Pendeski? Cheers, brother. Hope you're good too, my bro. Love it when you hold me close and I love you. Even when you gun me over, fella lolly. What you say? Alright. Chat, who's been watching NRL? Who's all at the top right now? What the Cowboys doing? I don't think they're in, eh? I think they got knocked out. I think they had a bit of a Warriors moment too, lost by 1, I think. Well, I play Minecraft. Ooh, what you doing in Minecraft? Are you building a house? Sup, GCR? Sharks are up there, I think. Storm and Panthers. Sharks have been up there for quite a while now, eh? I think they just have moments where they're like just fall short. Wasn't Sean Johnson playing for the Sharks once upon a time? Try being an Eels supporter here, or they've had it rough for a while, eh? I remember when the Eels were like super OP. One of my bros, he's a die-hard Broncos fan. They use no Eru who comes to the stream all the time. They just seem to choke towards the end, unfortunately. So just cleaning up the side now, guys. never really play for you. Do care. So talking about Johnson's, huh? Yeah, but didn't he play for the Sharks at one point? I was genuinely asking you, dick. Oh, yeah, I see Johnston's going through a bit of a rough patch right now. What happened? Did his mum get sick or something? I know a lot of people have been giving Sean Johnson shit. I don't know why when they, watch the game and not play. Wish I had the money. Oh, you just come and join the stream just as you are now. It's fine. Do care. Yeah, see, there's a little bit of drama happening with Sean Johnson. I hope he's alright though. I know, at the end of the day, we're all humans. Carving his brother left from Papa Moore. Yeah, true, brother. Hopefully, can get the bro from the Sevens team. Can have a jam at Whakairo with him. So I know they'll be prepping for the Olympics. Is the Olympics this year or next year? I know Portia Woodman's retiring. Quite a few of them, eh? I really hope that they win this Olympics because they're retiring. Everyone's stuck behind the keyboard. Facts, bro. Everyone's nuts about a continent size bigger. Just like that troll we had in my TikTok stream. He thought it was funny, but we were just roasting him instead because it was funnier. Yo, Cassius, thanks for gifting us sub, my brother. I don't know why people try and troll me because I think it's funny. Doesn't work. Even when he started pulling out the fat jokes, I'm like, yay! Traditional fat joke. Yawn. Do something better. Good Torren. Cheer my bro. Yeah, streaming on Twitch as well. Usually I pump up TikTok, but I might take a break from it today. Do a TikTok stream a little later. So yeah, leave when it comes to like any craft, make sure you leave nothing untouched, even along the outsides. Shit. This is a good washing day. Let me go put some washing on. I didn't realize it would be so windy. Hello, my enemy to wash. Yeah. Got away. Like, I cannot sleep in sheets over 2 weeks. The amount of farting I do when I'm asleep. Got to. One morning, we were waking up and I farted in the blanket, and then my wife was waking up and I threw the blanket in. You disgust me. Said, too bad you married me. The old bro. Yeah, bro, looked like she wanted to stab me when she got out of the blanket. Woo. How hot is the wee? It's freaking cold. My back neck is so cold. Sub Maori native NZ. Most people are too many people that are monthly. Yeah, bro, that's disgusting, bro. Yeah. I normally trick it, when they need another clean. I got a bit of a reminder in the old calendar. How do you keep your tools sharp? Like, do you need a special sharpener? A sharpening stone, brother. Brother, ew. Brother, ew. Brother, 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 Hey, how'd you going, you bastard? What's up, my brother? How you doing, bro? My neck is cold, my hands are numb, but someone's gotta do it. This green is a sexy looking green, eh? Over there, like it goes all the way, even up here too. Ugh. Brother, ugh. What's that, brother? Hope you're well, my bro. Good to see you like always, brother Custom. Oh, did someone ask where I'm from? Gimple, is that a place in Aussie? Woo! We got a bit of an international crowd. How long have you been working on it for? Probably like over a week now, eh? Like consistently. Yeah, about a week now, my bro. This is one of those those aroha, we call them aroha jobs. Aroha means love. They're not the best. Because you know you can't put love on the table to survive, you know. But it's one of my uncle's commissions. He unfortunately didn't get to finish. What is it? This is a manaya. So you can see the mouth, nose, the head and the eye. And the body goes around to another head down there. The reason why this manaya has two heads is because it's for a joint birthday. How long it takes to learn woodcrafting? A lifetime! But hey, who's to say you can't start now? Stop wishing, my brother, and just go and do it. Nothing wrong with starting now or whenever. As long as you start and you give it a go. That kind of goes for anything we do in life. So all we're doing really is just cleaning up on the outside of all this. So what's that Megan Thee Stallion song? And it's like a Japanese one. Watashi wa sta. Oh yeah, I found it. Mamoshi. Watashi wa sta. Whoop. Whoop. Watashi wa sta. Burn. Oh yeah. Sometimes I forget how good you are because you make it looky. Once Pete gets into the stage, it reminds me how good you actually are. The way. Yeah, I appreciate that, my bro. Hey, Atamari from Perth. Jay, what's the time in Perth? Kia ora, brother. Mania for the raid. Thank you, good sir. Always impressed with your work. Been missing RP like crazy recently. Have you been around the city? Yeah, my bro. So my character's a bit affiliated with CG these days, and there's a point he wanted to get back on Rue because CG and ADMC were at war, and she shot Junior. She didn't know, but my character didn't give two fucks if she knew or not. So he still wants to get back on Rue, but I don't know when it's gonna be. You know me, my bro, spice addict. But you got friends in CG and a few other gangs, and just racing really. Kind of getting a different role with my character these days. I stayed civilian for like a couple months. I didn't want to get back into like crim stuff straight away. All good, my bro. Have a good day, brother Cassius, and I will see you in your stream soon, my bro. Yeah, so we're just going to be cleaning this up and the head here, and then we should be good. Well, it should be done, actually. Yeah, Top Gun Logan. Thank you for the Optimus Prime, brother. Should we be cheeky and try a bit of a Twitter stream, eh? It's the ocean, I'm just imposing. Yeah, let's try a bit of a Twitter stream. I don't know what it's gonna be like, so you will see. Is that yeah, I haven't seen that movie yet. Alright, Twitter. I didn't even know you could go live on Twitter, so I'm gonna try just to be nosy. What is it gonna be like? I have no idea. No idea. Should be interesting though. I think it should be fine. Oh, I'm live. Wow, it's that easy. You just go live. Now we'll see how this goes, chat. I don't really know much about Twitter lives. Don't really follow Elon. How do you know if comments come up? I have no idea. I didn't even know you could go live on Twitter. What? Scroll. How do you see comments? I have no idea how to see comments. Are you supposed to enable it somehow? Bro, I'm guessing. Anyway, if you're watching, kia ora, hello. My name's Brox, I touch wood in the morning. Literally. Vascular free. I have no idea how to see comments, so I do apologize. Hey, what's up, brother Hammer? Honestly, you can't imagine too the Maori Samoan guys and like the US presidential debates. That'll be funny, eh? At least they wouldn't forget what they're saying. Am I supposed to enable Twitter comments somehow? You are live, but how do I see comments? Wait, you can hide your chat? Why would you do that? No, I don't want to hide. Show chat. Oh yeah, just no one's commenting, that's all. Welcome to those watching on Twitter, or X, whatever you want to call it. I'd rather call it Twitter, eh? I feel like calling it X is like low-key porn site. I mean, it kind of checks out with the amount of bots they say to check link in bio. I don't even know if people are commenting, eh? Can someone go to my Twitter and have a look, please? Welcome. So what I'm carving right now is what we call a manaya. A manaya is a guardian in my culture. So you see the mouth here. Here's the mouth, the nose, the head, and the eye. So I'm just cleaning up all the things that you don't see. So this face is finished. And yeah, we're cleaning up the outside that, you know, the eyes don't normally see along here. Yeah, I can't tell if people are commenting or not. Scroll down, scroll up. Yo, the One Samurai, thank you for the Optimus Prime on Twitch, my bro. Watching while I rock the baby to sleep. Oh, pour my ear to your baby. Pour Maori means good night. So remember guys, in 2 weeks I will be away from the stream for about 5 days. I'm going on a honeymoon. So I'm going to try and stream as much as I can before then. Holy cow, I've got 153 people watching on my Twitter live. Joe, morning. This is what I look like with 4 hours of sleep. But if you enjoyed the stream, much love and thank you very much. I have no idea if people are commenting. I don't really know too much about Twitter lives, so I'll just do this clean them up, and carry on. But I hope you all enjoyed the short Twitter stream. How do you do I have to be like a certain someone in order to have like comments and whatnot? Broadcast details. Uh-oh. Yeah, I have no idea. Could make it a lot simpler, Elon. I can't see a way to comment. Oh, you can't really see. Wait, so people can't even comment? That's kind of trash, I ain't gonna lie. I feel like when it comes to streaming, the best thing you can do is like, you know, interact with the people watching. But to those that are watching on Twitter, if you want, I'm streaming live on Twitch and YouTube as well. If you want to comment. You have to enable it before you stream, I think. Okay, let me check that real quick. What does that do? Okay. What are these really nothing to it, eh? Let me just close it in. Go live. Go live. Everyone? There we go. Maybe now it might work. Maybe I didn't have it enabled. Live. Go live. Everyone? Let's try that. I think I enabled comments. I just clicked on the comment button. I think I enabled it, I am not sure. Clean. Hey, what's up, Phoebius? Kia ora, bro. What's up, Endless Morena? What up? Whew. Baby, come as you are. We just your heart, and I'll take you in. You're rejected and turned to me your worth that you had within. Now I don't need no superstar 'Cause I'll accept you as you are. So this honeymoon you're going on? Ah, no, Queenstown. Queenstown. We decided to go with somewhere local, just cost-wise, that's all. Yeah. What's the final feel? Final feel, what do you mean by that? Well, like what am I thinking for, like the ending of it? Is that what you mean? You don't have to be a star, baby. Just to be at my show. You don't have to be a star, baby. Yeah, we might go up to the mountain. But Milford Sound is definitely on the cards. And as I mentioned, I want to go to that part on so that go and reenact that scene from the Twin Towers when Aragorn and them catch up to the Urukai that get killed, and reenact that scene. A hobbit lay here. His bounds were cut. If you didn't know, that part where they did that scene is on the side of the road. His bounds were cut. Still come back in the case. Oh, bloody hope not, my bro. I haven't been snowboarding in a long time, but it should be good, eh? Me and my wife don't really treat ourselves, and our sole focus right now is saving in the hopes of getting a house one day. Well, that's kind of my dream anyway. Also, spicy fruit. Broke his toe kicking the helmet. Oh, really? No wonder I didn't know what you were talking about. Oh, true. True. Ah, that must have been the top quality helmet. If you didn't know, guys, Chris in the chat was actually an Urukai Orc in the Twin Towers too in the Battle for Helm's Deep. He's in my chat now. Straight flexing the viewers' work. True, he broke his toe. Man needs to train toe more. I did not know that. One of the 100, yeah. That's pretty cool though, bro. I would have loved to have been an extra in Lord of the Rings. 100%. True, man broke his toe kicking that helmet. That's crazy. What? Almost flicked you out of the thing there, Twitter. My bad. This is what we've been up to. It says there's like 195 people watching, but it could be a lie. Just saying. Yeah, we need to take the corners off this. See how it's kind of flat, eh? Take those off. Max or Perez? Huh? What's that for? Max or Perez? Your hat? This hat was free, that's why I'm wearing it. I choose in the name of free. That's why I'm wearing this hat. But I do love Mad Max though. See his new car? Oh, he revealed it. Absolutely stunning car. Eh? I don't know if that's the Max you're talking about. Possibly not. He turned a McLaren into a drift car, but he engine swapped it. Looks absolutely sick though, I'll say that much. Yo, Eagle to Frosty. That's 3 years, eh? Is that 3 years? Appreciate you, brother Eagle. Thank you very much, good sir. For the 36 months. I believe it's 3 years. I could be wrong. Wasn't really good at maths at school. That's why I did woodcraft. 3 years, better have a ring for him at the end of that. Sure, my brother. I appreciate the other help, my bro. So, I don't know if, like, I've got comments enabled on Twitter, but I don't know if it's, like, working. Apparently, there's, like, 232 people watching my Twitter stream. I don't know if that's true. Could be the link in bio account. Jeez. Yo, Ora, thank you for the 9 months, my bro. Ooh, it's getting windy. Perfect washing weather. I just regurgitated in my mouth a little bit. Feel this morning's breakfast. New sub icon, oh hey, Nacho Libre. We've had lion icons for a long while, eh? Try to get rid of this, eh? Hey, what's up, box boy? Bloody dog. How does one enable comments on a Twitter stream? Thank you, Loki, for the biddies, brother. Yeah. Yeah, so with Whakairo, I feel like any craft in general, make sure you like check every part of the carving, especially the outside as well. Because those are the parts that'll need cleaning too. Even if it's like machine marks as well. You have to tap the chat icon on the broadcast screen before. Yeah, I did that. And the heart button? Yeah, I'm not too sure about it after that. I clicked on the chat icon, put it on everyone. But am I getting view botted already? I mean, it is Twitter, so I wouldn't be surprised. Put on chat. Right, sorry about that. Carrying on, carrying on. Twitter, I don't know if you are watching, but if you are enjoying the stream, thank you for watching. I thought I enabled comments. Oh, what's going on with my beers? Okay, we're back. Just a little hiccup there. My goodness. How long have we been live on Twitch now? Like 1 hour? Losing track of time. It would be easier to put the seat down a bit lower, but this will do for now. Hour 50? Oh, yeah. We've never had 2 hours. I have a little break. Actually, I have a little break now, And then we'll get back into it. But it's looking pretty solid. Sub McFrosty. Are these available for purchasing? Everything I thought. This is like 1 of 1. Yeah, I don't do replicas or anything like that. Twitter. Hi Twitter. I do apologize. I might finish the Twitter stream because no one can comment, and I think that's kind of dumb. I don't know if it could be my bad, but I'm not sure. But apparently there's like 348 people watching on my Twitter. I don't know if that's fact or cap. But if you are watching and you want to carry on watching, jump over to my Twitch account. We can tune in. So peace Twitter, have a good one, and chew. What does that do? Nothing. Okay. Bye bye. Yo, thank you very much to Zephyr for the brand new tier 1. Kia ora, bro. Total time watched. Apparently, for those 20 minutes I was live, people watched for 5 hours. What? That don't make any sense. I don't get it. Don't get it, chat. What's up, Max Hoon Music? Kia ora, bro. We're doing good today, my bro. Doing good today. Just I had a bit of a late start today, but glad I could get a stream in nonetheless. Just hit on a quick break. Bit of a quick break for now, and then we'll get straight back into it. Yo, Box Boy, thanks for gifting someone a sub too, brother. Getting us 10 out of our daily sub goal. Alright. Yeah, so we're having a bit of a break, and then we'll get back into it. How we doing? Oh, man. Yeah, so after all of this, then we'll leave this alone. We'll leave that head alone. And then we will move on to the next one. Yeah, so it's yeah, just taking it bit by bit. so once we move on from here, so I just want to carry on cleaning the top there, and we'll go down to the head, down the bottom. Going in, since the pandemic, true. Kia ora, TikTok. How's it looking from your fellas end? All good? There we go. Yeah, still got a little bit to clean in the nose here. All be good. So if you're just joining in on the TikTok stream, we're just on a bit of a break before we get back into it. Good lunchtime. Oh, bro, I don't even know what I'm having for lunch. Maybe just a fruit salad. And chicken breast for tea. Fuck, it's cold, man. My hands are numb as. It's gonna look amazing when it's finished. Thanks, fella. Yeah, so normally with something like this, we just design the heads. I'm wondering if we design the body too, because there's like a lot of like real estate to leave untouched. Obviously, I'd super clean it, but I'll make that decision when I get there. Hey, what's up, Slipknot guy? I mean, Don Buddy. Ooh, Don Buddy's nice. Thank you very much, Aziz. Much appreciated, Habibi. I use TikTok. Sorry I was late to the stream. Someone was getting raided on in our neighborhood, so I was watching. Yeah, man was having a bit of a watch. Do I do commissions? Yep, my commissions are fully booked out right now. I've got two passion projects that one passion project that I want to do this year. It's a relatively simple one. Then I have to carve one of the bros' Grand Theft Auto RP characters. What's up, Maori Mamba? I forgot to tell you, I saw a band live back in May from your country. They're called Black Smoke Trigger. Merch stand and their legends. Oh, true, my bro. Oh, that's pretty on. My friend, I saw you on Instagram. Yeah, really good admin. Hello, brother. I've been really slack with Instagram lives too. I should really do one. Why is this random putting a phone number in my chat? Block that. Not being weird. Do that. Thank you for the gifts, guys. Chefana, it's me, Ogama, bro. Have a good sleep, eh? Have a good sleep. I'll try and do a gaming stream soon. I just don't know what to play. All the games that I've been playing lately have just not been it for me, you know? Like RP, not playing WoW till War Within comes out. Oh, we're lagging. Oh, there we go. Am I 95 to her? Nope. But my old teachers. Looked at Dredge? No, I haven't. That's the game I should get into. Dredge. That's a NZ game, eh? Yes, bro. I forgot all about that game. I should be having a break, but hold up. Yeah. Yes, bro. Oh, the live is lagging and I'm on full bloody Wi-Fi. I don't know, if it keeps lagging then I might just have to end it. Yes, I've heard about Dave the Diver too. Yeah. Well, what do you do on that other than, you know, diving? Dave the Diver. What else? Hello from Colorado. How can I buy one of your carvings? At the moment, I've got nothing for sale. Oh, now my Instagram, my TikTok live is just going fully dead as well. Maybe I am lagging. Oh shit. I saw Dave the Diver, but I haven't got around. Oh, okay. Yeah, I'll probably have a dabble with that too. An adventure restaurant. Oh, okay. Yeah, I think my TikTok live is lagging because I went from like 300 people to 60. Maybe I'll just stick with you guys today. Geez, connection wise it can be a bit problematic, eh? Like really problematic. Pixel art style? Yeah, I still rate pixel art style, eh? In this day and age, I really still like pixel art. Me personally. Hold on. Yeah, I still rate pixel art. What's up, Keezus? Kia ora, bro. Like, when it comes to, I think, Pokemon, I still prefer, like, the old sprites as opposed to, like, all the new ones. That's just, like, me personally, though. Chilling through it, yo. I'm supposed to be having a break. That's my problem, Michelle. I don't know how to take a break sometimes. Kind of Pokemon pixel art. Oh, yeah. Yeah, Gen 1 and 2 are my cream of the crop when it comes to those games. Like, I still enjoyed Pokemon after that, but it didn't hit quite the same after that for me. That's why I always have Gen 1 and 2 is my all-time favorites. Like this guy, the guy Fraser Group that I bumped into at Teddy Swim's concert. he was the same too. He's a Gen 1 and 2 fan. And we pretty much hit it off from there, bro. That's for me. Hope you guys have been enjoying the stream today. Thank you very much to all those that have subbed to the channel today. And to the new subs as well. Welcome, all 10 of you guys. Welcome, no mai, haere mai. And to those that have resubbed, I appreciate you as well. Let me just have a drink. Also, chat, a bit of tea for you that involves me. I turned down a partnership with a big brand. 2 red flags for me. The 2 red flags for me why I decided not to go with them. They called me an esports player. And what was the other reason? I need to check. Yeah, they called me an esport. They want to support esports players. Let me check it. Let me try and find it. What did the young people say? Let me cook. Yeah, they called me an esports player. And they said, we love your gaming content. Now, to those that have been watching me, I haven't gamed on my main channel for a couple of months now. And the vibe that gave me was like, do you even watch it? Do you even watch my stream? That's kind of what it made me think. And they called me an esports player, and I declined them. Yeah, they're a big brand as well. Just a bit of useless information for you guys. Yeah, I had a meeting with my managers yesterday. Yeah. When they said that, I was like, yeah, nah, he used to even watch. So I pretty much just said, no, thank you. Yeah. What's up, brother? I see, appreciate that, my brother. Yeah, when I saw that in the email, I was like, yeah, nah, I've already made my mind up. What's up? Half. cold, chat. Oh. There it is. What the hell am I supposed to leave? I said, that in my corner, they come and get me. All good, shift. Go do your thing, brother. Here, you know me, brother. Far no time, always. Do your thing, my brother. Much love to you and the fams, my bro. Watch out, you go too ridiculous in the club, looking so conspicuous. I'm proud, these women all on the prowl. Ludicrous, gonna milk the cow. The truth won't stop till they get them in their birthday suits. Give me the rhythm of the off of their clothes. So I'm listening to Usher. Get a rhythm on foot patrol. How you like me now? 300,000. Ludicrous in the wind with double D's. When I'm lady in the street with a freak in the bed, I say, do it, in the McDonald's, they come and get me. Next thing I know, it's on the phone, me streaming. What happened? Where's everyone? What do you mean? On your back, little cunt got the beat to make your booty go. Take that to rewind it. Where's everyone? Take that to rewind it back. Ludicrous got the flow to make the booty go. Mind what you do. I remember when Cassie released that song, Me and You. Oh. She used to be my celebrity crush. Sup, bad guy? Looking in your element, bruv, puppy. It's cold, my hands are numb, so yeah, pretty much. Oh my life. My hands have been numb for the last how long we've been live for? Hour, must be hour and a bit. Whoop. If we disagree to anything. Do you sell these IPC? I do commissions, brother. This one's for a birthday. Oi, Red Daddy. 35 months shoot, it feels crazy looking back. I started watching. Thanks for all the content and love, my bro. Hey, cheer, my brother. Thank you very much for the 35 months, my bro. Legit, that's like 1 off 3 years, right? Thank you very much, my bro. And I'm glad you've been enjoying it. Yeah, true legend. Hope you're having a good day too, brother. We tried a bit of a Twitter stream today, but apparently you have to enable comments somehow, and I did, and no one was commenting.
Oh, I love water.
You got my whole life in your hand. Standing alive. Wait. Alrighty. How long we been live for, chat? It's looking nice, bro. Brother, what wood do you use? This is Rimu, R-I-M-U. It's a native timber. This one. $2.16. Oh, another 15 more minutes, 14 minutes of carving, and then we'll do a bit of yep before the end of the stream. 3 hours. I must get 3 hours in. I love Rimu. Here's my first time carving like Rimu, like ever. Yeah. The vibes they never come down. You wear the crown. Yeah, so you can see this is the face we've been working on. This one here. And then we'll do this one tomorrow. So this is our next step tomorrow, is this one. And when we finish both the heads, then we'll move to the body. Once everything's fully designed, like everything, we'll cut these out. We'll cut all of them out. But yeah, that's pretty much him. Destroying such a beautiful wood for that. When they suggested a remake cover for my dad's funeral, we were like, he would spin in his grave. Oh. Yeah, I know, my auntie, she didn't want to be in a coffin. So what she wanted was, she wanted hers to be weaved out of flax. Oh, yeah, it's a bit of a good size, eh? Pretty hard to move, this one. So we still got the back to clean up, so we'll do that last. And I will most likely, you know how my signatures, I normally design the left side of the brow on the carvings I do. I'll probably design this one, just this brow, or I might put a signature design like on the back of the carving, just in the corner somewhere. But yeah, this is pretty much him. It looks nice. Sometimes simple is the best way to do it. But yeah, this is how it's gonna sit if you wanted it to. Or they can set it like that, it doesn't really matter. How long was I in the carving school for? 3 years, so it's like a 3-year course. And if you pass, you get to keep your chisels. If you don't pass, obviously you don't. There are some that failed the course, and I have no freaking idea how they got to keep their packs, man. Look at that. So I want to take a photo. Very nice, very nice. Post that up. G3 is yeah. So you end up with your tickets. Like even though like the tickets aren't necessarily needed, it's more just to show that you did the hard yards through the carving school in order to get where you are today. Well, the reason why I went to the carving school is the upskill because I needed to, and I wanted to get better. Yeah. Looking good, thank you, brother Sean on YouTube. Yeah, so it's mainly it was more upskilling for me. And in the first year, you do all the hard stuff. First, you do like 3-dimensional carvings. So the 3-dimensional stuff is what you learn first, and then eventually into the second year, which I think is quite an important year too. The second year of the carving school is when you learn every single tribal style. That was my favorite year. I did a Apanui Popo, and something's going on with the chat. Hey girl, the one lover, number one summer, but I like no other. Okay, I'll wait for everyone to make their way back. Can I make a ladder in? Are we still here, chat? Comments to let me know. Did it look so hard to build a little house together? So whenever, no matter what the weather. Yeah, I would play the song on my stream, but just YouTube copyright. So I'm listening to it right now. I'd say that would be my theme song whenever if I was to carve. Then a saw and a board, now cut it. Climb a ladder and a hammer and a nail, I'll nail it. Really work so hard to build a little house together. I'll be honest, shit, I've got my hands in my pockets and I'm trying to warm them up. Like, they look normal, but yeah, they're cold, eh? Yeah. But I'm glad we got that the head done. I'm glad we got it finished. So we can move over to the next sensor. So we'll do the ruru tomorrow, which is the other head on the other end. We'll start, you know, gunning that out, cleaning it, shaping it, getting it clean on the outsides. Yeah. Best to just show you so instead of yapping about it. Yeah, so yeah, this is our next target tomorrow. So quite a bit of timber in the mouth here. So we can open up the mouth a bit more. And what we'll do is we'll get the initial angle or mold of the top of the face and then move it in. This is the first time I've ever done a ruru like this where the head flows into the body. You see that initial flow? Like it doesn't have that definitive cut off like that. And butt that in, it's straight one flow. So when we design this, I'm going to have to come up with a design that's going to flow that way first and then come back that way. Specs, I use a shitty laptop outside. No, not outside. I use a laptop outside. Looking good, thank you, Sean. Hey, Phantom Summer, thank you for the brand new tier 1, brother. No, my Heidi, my Maori. Welcome on into the stream. My name is Brox. I'm a traditional Maori woodcarver. And we're, well, I was talking about what we're going to do tomorrow. But it looks like, getting a slight head start. But I'll just, yeah, just molding and getting all the dirty sections off. But the devil's in my hand. Like we put up real high. Cool. There we go. What more can I say? She can't keep still, eh? Gotta do. Oh man, that was a cold breeze. Yeah, the cold's kind of getting to me now. More in my hands. Like we can I say? You baby, that our money was ready to flood. You baby, there's a border. Oh go, we were high, running low. Woo! Arr. Oh man, I refuse to wear gloves. I refuse, Chad. How we doing? You so good? Hey, what are you doing? Getting numb hands, but carving that. We just finished molding this, the bottom head right here. Just finished smashing that up. Tomorrow we start the next one. Oh, and we're currently in the molding, end of the molding phase, into the cleaning phase. Yeah. Hello from California. Noah's at a party. Gee, brother. Smoke. Love your work, brother. Good vibe. Curry. Love from Scotland. Hey, all the way from Scotland. What's up, my brother? Smoke. Load. Woo. Yeah, my hands are numb. I think it's officially wind down side of the stream. How does it feel to have a global community? I won't lie, I love it. I love it because I get to connect with a lot of people from around the world, and that's probably one of the most satisfying feelings about being Brox. Because I don't know, I just feel like it's a really satisfying feeling to be able to speak to people from different walks in life from around the world. Doesn't matter where, maybe, or where, when, but that's something on this journey that I will always be grateful for. Yeah, is being able to connect with people from around the world. Nah, we do the eyes last. We're still molding and cleaning. After the molding and the cleaning, then we start thinking about a design. Yeah. What's the temp in Road Vegas? I don't know. Like, yeah, I'm not too sure, to be honest, brother. Sorry. Sending love from California. Been a fan of you all since kissing you. Thanks for everything. Nah, thank you guys. Thank you guys for being here, being a part of the journey. Just like keep in mind, this journey wouldn't be possible without you guys. I feel like we don't acknowledge the people that join us along the way enough. Yeah, mania. That's what I love about it, bro. Being able to speak with people from around the world. Like when I went to TwitchCon, that was like a big moment for me. Not only speaking to viewers, also other streamers too, and people that have like, you know how people have like these stands at conventions and whatnot. One thing I really enjoyed was going into the art village and talking to a lot of the art streamers. It was cool. It was cool as. Like, I still have my TwitchCon photos. A lot of the viewers I spoke to, and some of the viewers that are streamers as well. I took photos of their cards, so I always remembered their names. I still need to follow everyone back. I would have loved to meet your TwitchCon or see everyone for a new setup first. Yeah, always, brother. Yeah, I really wanted to go to this year's TwitchCon, but I have my honeymoon in 2 weeks, and I don't think, you know, it would be wise financially to go to TwitchCon as much as I want to. But you know, at the end of the day, my end game in life right now is to get a forever home for me and my family. And yeah, I don't do subathons that much, but I might plan for one for my birthday. As I mentioned, the giveaways I want to do, I don't want to do like keyboard giveaways and all that. I want to give away like tongas that I've carved like pendants. So that's what I want to do. So I want to go and see a few people for some timber. Yeah. Save up for some small side bits of timber so we can carve some tiki and whatnot. So that's the goal right now, is to carve these tonga, these pendants, because I'd rather give something away that was made by myself instead. And there's gonna be a big sub goal too when we do our taiaha giveaway. So a taiaha is one of the most prestigious things in our culture that I carve. But yeah, in light of how prestigious this particular carving is, it's not gonna be a small sub goal. And if we don't hit it, we don't hit it. It's fine too. Thank you very much to Loki for the biddies. Cheers, brother. Yeah. But I'm definitely keen to carve another taiaha on stream. I think it'll be fun. I think it'll definitely be a fun thing to revisit again. Yeah, so I wanna carve these particular things, and we'll give them away. And a big request for the subathon that I do is to bring back the Wheel of Arch My Life. Last subathon I think it was last year we did it, and oh bro. The Wheel of Arch My Life consisted of hot sauce, Carolina Reaper hot sauce, Vegemite, absolutely disgusting spread, and dry Weet-Bix. When is your birthday? 23rd of September. I'll be 33. Yeah, so hold up. And when it comes to the day that we get our own house with a big shed or stream room, I want to do a big karaoke stream. Like I want to have at least like 3 cameras set up in certain points while I'm doing karaoke, and I want to try and make it a big concert, like green screen and everything. Yeah. Sure, Ken Adams, welcome to the stream, man. Yeah. Like I want to go all out for a karaoke stream like it's an actual concert. Instead of like just having me, microphone and camera. And I want to dress up to the nines and just go for it. I tend to forget the lyrics. Oh, me too. But yeah, the songs I want to sing, like Teddy Swims, some old school 90s songs, a lot of the bangers from my era. Yeah, man. Yeah. So when it comes to that day, the first thing I want to do as a celebration stream is do a big karaoke stream. That'll be fun. NWA, I'll be honest, I get a bit hesitant to do rap songs because I know all the words there, including the certain word that they say a lot of. That's why I'm always hesitant to do rap songs. Like Hit 'Em Up by Tupac, know all the words. And I don't want to be that guy and let a certain word slip and then, banned. Growing up means getting old. Yeah, I don't want to be that guy. Although it would be a good clip farm though, but not the kind of good clip farm you'd want. I don't want to be... I'm going to leave clip farming to this younger generation of streamers. They're much bigger than I am. Man, I should really go and get my beard touched up, eh? But it keeps my face warm. How long have we been streaming for now, chat? 2:30? Time flows by. I don't understand it. Tell me why life starts to lose its magic. 2:42. Oh. Hey, we'll just carry on yarning for the rest of the stream. I normally, ideally, like to hit like 3 hours. When I stream. Like, if it's shorter, it's because I've got stuff to do. Yeah. What's up, Beastland? Cheer, bro. Had to check you out. Welcome through, brother. So, this is what I do, my bro. So, we're kind of in the wind down period of today's stream, but I'll show you what we do, though. So this is what I do, my bro. So Whakairo, traditional Maori wood carving is normally what I do on stream. I like to showcase my culture a lot on my stream, which is Maori culture. We're the indigenous people of Aotearoa, otherwise known as New Zealand. And most of it is culture focused for me. I was gaming on my channel for a little bit, but it was, I'll be honest, I get bored of streaming games, I'd rather be doing this. So I do have a gaming channel called Not Brox, but majority of the time you'll find me here touching wood in the morning, literally. So this is what's called a manaya, M-A-N-A-I-A. So this is a guardian. Normally they could have arms and legs, but for this it's for a joint birthday. Hence the reason why there's two. And they will look over the two individuals that will receive this for their birthday. Yeah, this is a commission too. Yeah, so that's in there. So we just finished cleaning this head today. Just finished cleaning all of that. Then we do this one tomorrow. Oh yeah, that's him. Yeah. I'll definitely be back. Yeah, all good, brother. Like, with me, my bro, just join in when you can. And don't be one of those guys that say, "Oh, sorry, I haven't been in your stream for like 2 days. So sorry," because I'll probably grow you and say, "Do what you bloody want." You're all good, my bro. So I just got a message from my wife. Hey, what's up, Lord Fourth? Kia ora, bro. Whew, cold, man. You would probably be a good producer. Can you rap? You guys should have the skill of rap. Who's your favorite artist? I can't rap. The only rapping I do is rapping my school kids' lunch. Oh. This one here for the Mandem. I run with them in tandem. Hey, my name Rennie. You find me at the deli eating a ball. I can't rap for shit, my bro. I don't even know what tandem means. My sons would say we act alike. Because we dance, that's why. I'm so terrible at rapping. Some would say I'm terrible at rapping IRL too. Because I'm a father of 2. Nah. Bees up, A-Town. Do 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 do. See there, brother. Goofy dads are the best dads. Hey, my brother. Oh, hello to your son too, bro. Sorry, I just got a message from the wife. She's going, "What are you having for dinner?" I was like, "Why? You're not even here." I hope you guys have enjoyed the stream today. Sorry for the late start. I had a little cheeky interview today. But I had fun, although my hands are like numb. They're literally in my pockets right now. But yeah, we got a lot of progress done today. And yeah, a hell of a lot of progress, I must say. Yeah. Yeah, I'm not finishing yet. We'll finish soon. I'll play our theme song before we leave. Oh no, the suitcase. So just let me know when we're like 2 hours and 10 minutes or something. Yeah. You weren't the one that built the leaning tower onto the. Yeah, I did see that, bro. What in the hazard is that, bro? It's a lot of wood pellets, right? Bro, that's such a hazard, bro. I saw it on the news. For the one day I decided to watch TV. A little more. Yeah, I did see that. Like wood pellets and a lot of random other stuff, eh? It's a giant canoe sticking out. What the hell? Gonna adore you, adore you. Alright, man, I'm gonna head out now. But it was so nice hanging out with you. Hope you're wonderful and stay safe. All good, man, Mina. You have a good day too, my bro. And I will see you on the next one. We will be live again tomorrow. From we'll see, maybe 8:30 or 9 o'clock onwards to there. Alright, let's play our theme song. It's time to play our outro music. Alright, let me take this headset off. YouTube, how did you get those scars? This one? No, there. Is it there? I got this one from fighting my cousin. He scratched me, so I punched him in the mouth. I was 3. This one, I wasn't listening. I was jumping on the bed, and my mum goes, "Stop jumping on the bed. You're gonna hit the window." You know, the edge of the window. Sure enough, yep, there. Do I have any more? Nah, just those ones. So yeah, fighting with my cousin, not listening to my mum. Pretty much. Yeah, he scratched me and yeah, punched him in the mouth. Alright, YouTube, I'm going to finish the YouTube stream a little early just so I can play this song and be cool and have an outro. Have a good one. We'll see you tomorrow, YouTube. Choo choo.